Actions.
Run.
I run to catch the bus.
Walk.
I walk to the store.
Jump.
I jump to reach the top of the shelf.
Flip.
I sit down to rest.
Stand.
I stand up to greet my teacher.
Swim.
I swim across the swimming pool.
Dance.
We dance at a party.
Sing.
I sing along to the radio.
Play.
I play with my dog.
Read.
I read a book before bed.
Write.
I write a letter to my friend.
Draw.
I draw a picture of my dog.
Paint.
I paint my room green.
Talk.
Cook dinner for my family.
Clean.
I clean my room.
Wash.
I wash my hands before eating.
Drive.
My uncle drives to work.
Fly.
Fly to Hawaii for vacation.
Ride.
I ride my bike to school.
Play a sport.
I play basketball with my friends. Thank you for watching. Hope you like this video and love this English learning method. Please like and subscribe our channel for more videos.
Goodbye.